Today we are discussing how to make someone regret losing you. Kindly like, share and comment want this video. While understanding the desire to make someone regret losing you, it's important to approach the situation with caution. Here are some alternative perspectives to consider. Focus on your own well-being. Prioritize self-care. Instead of focusing on influencing someone else's feelings, invest time in activities that bring you joy and support your mental and emotional well-being. Practice self-compassion. Acknowledge your hurt and allow yourself to feel your emotions. Engage in practices like mindfulness or journaling to help you process and move forward. Seek support. Talk to friends, family, or a therapist who can offer a safe space to express your emotions and provide guidance during this challenging time. Shifting your approach. Maintain boundaries. If you decide to interact with this person, set clear boundaries to avoid unnecessary contact or getting dragged back into negativity. Embrace personal growth. Use this experience as an opportunity for self-reflection and personal development. Explore interests, develop new skills, or pursue goals you've had on hold. Live authentically. Live your life in a way that feels genuine and fulfilling to you. Don't try to portray a certain image solely to influence someone else's perception. Remember, you have no control over someone else's feelings or reactions. Focusing on your well-being, setting healthy boundaries, and pursuing personal growth allows you to heal and move forward in a way that empowers you. If you're struggling to manage your emotions or cope with the situation, consider seeking professional guidance from a therapist. Please subscribe to this channel.